Hi, welcome back to another video. Today I want to share with you a quick story and of course an insight based on the story. It goes like this. It's actually based on the true facts. One of the master chefs in India, he is running a coaching class. He goes into jails and provides help and teaches the inmates, the interested inmates, to cook, and whatever that is cooked there, it is taken out to the society and it is sold there. They also have a name for that, jail ka khana, jail ka roti, something like that. So, and in a way, it is kind of a connection with the outer world for the inmates who are going to be released in the future. They get to develop these connections with the society, and deep inside they also know that if their food is accepted, they are also accepted when they come out of these correctional facilities, isn't it? So that can be used as a kind of a strategy. That's what I want to teach you today. It goes like this: when you are blank, let's fill this up later. When your blank is accepted, you are accepted. When you are write this down. When your blank is accepted, you are accepted. You can write it in first person also. When my blank is accepted, I am accepted. Something like that. So this conversation actually has very deep meaning. The strategy can connect very deeply with your audience, because this has popped up many times in our conversations with worldwide authors. Like, we work with authors from different industries and different topics around the world. So most of them ask this question initially before they even think about writing a book. They want to understand whether they would be accepted as authors, whether their ideas would be accepted people, how to get you accepted by your fans, by your followers. It could be your customers, vendors, let's say people. So when, in our case, when our authors' books are accepted, their ideas are accepted, their messages are accepted by the people, then they are accepted by the people as well. Now they get a chance to talk with them, work with them, do business with them, develop relationships with them, whatnot. Anything that you want to do with people, it happens because you have earned their like and trust in the first place. Attention and trust and like in the first place, isn't it? So you can use this as a strategy to enter into new markets, for example, or get yourself into the hearts and minds of people by putting yourself. This could be anything. When your food is accepted, you are accepted. When your book is accepted, you are accepted. When your services are accepted, you are accepted. You know what I mean? So whatever your message is, if that is accepted, then you are accepted. That is how you can increase your acceptance with the society. That's how you develop your social influence, by the way, in today's world. And it is easy today. Unlike 20 years ago, 30 years ago, today getting social acceptance is easier and more efficient. And especially for some of our authors, they write their books, and if their books are accepted, then they are accepted. That opens new doors and windows for them. So if you like this idea, if you like this video, let me know. Push that like button there and share it with your friends and followers. And also, if you have any questions and comments, don't forget to add them here. I personally look at all my comments, all the comments that you put out there, and try to answer if there are any questions. And let's meet again in another video or a seminar at a live event. Until then, keep smiling, believe in yourself, and get all the best things in life.